thing. We're supposed to be the nuclear warhead, but whatever.
You're gonna go all the way over there?
Robbie, come on, come here.
Are we Frank?
Yeah.
I thought we were Foxtrot.
Yeah, that's what they're calling it, but whatever.
Jake, is there any ammo in the sniper?
I put
Probably,
some
I
in
don't know. Check it.
Yeah. There's not much, I put some in, but...
Well, I had reloaded it when I...
Nick, I'm gonna need ammo.
I don't have any. I went up getting a freaking mag off Matt.
You don't have any in that container?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to reload your mags? Right here?
Yeah, that's gonna take too long. No, we ain't got time for this.
I'll pay you back in ammo.
That's fine.
Fuck, why'd you have to they close this?
Nick, which one's 9?
The one with 9 written all over it?
Where?
So
it's this one right here.
It's called trailer 8.
Okay.
It's trailer 8, so it's the second one.
13, right?
What?
13, right?
13 what?
13.
What do you say?
You want to know what table we were at?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 13.
Well, we can.
Yeah.
We can all try to push this first trailer right here.
I can't. I have a sniper.
You
Well, you can give us cover.
Get in there and...
Yeah, we can. You want to besides, that's Robbie. That's under the AEG limit.
So technically you could breach with it if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Oh, Nick, we can't do a suicide bomb because you're not allowed to have grenades in
Son
buildings.
of a bitch.
Yeah, you can use
damn
a
it.
dummy grenade.
Because if we all get in this trailer,
I have a thunder beam, but not allowed to.
All right, you guys want to attack with us? Mine as well. We're going Bunker Hill. Bunker Hill.
I'm down the stairs. Yeah, Bunker Town.
Okay.
Same
So
thing.
let's get in this first trailer. Clear the trailer. You guys want to come with two?
You want
You just want to
smoke?
breach? You just want to breach?
No, yeah, you want smoke?
Smoke or no smoke? Shit.
You should probably smoke. We need smoke!
I got you. Hold my. Someone hold this.
Here.
Flashlight's on.
What? Turn it off. Heads up.
Smoke.
Get away up there.
Oh, shit.
That didn't work.
Wait, no, we get...
Move that smoke.
Got another one.
It's cold, but throw it out there. Throw it. Not. Oh my. Okay, actually no. That's good.
Ready? Going on the trailer. Let's move in on the trailer. You ready? Which trailer you guys
Let's go. 9.
No, 9. Someone's objective.
Well, we can make it our objective.
Freaking thing. Free. I'm going to the slow thing cover. Alright, go. Oh.
Oh, hit.
Who's hit?
That guy, I got
Everybody's
him,
hit.
Jake. Give me cover!
Cover fire! Go!
Reloading! Hey!
I got you.
Hold on.
Can you drag?
We're all in trailer 9. Move the guy down.
All right, guys. Give me. Oh, you got him? Okay, thank you. Hey, get in here.
Just double tap me again.
Who's this? Who's this?
That's it. Thanks.
Fuck, why is there wet shit? Probably raining.
No, it's not.
I'm getting like wet drops. Oh no, it's probably from my mask. Dang. Condensation.
We're good.
Oh shit.
Dan? Fucking dead guy.
Don't fall. Oh
Watch your head, watch your head.
Who's falling back? Yeah, stay back here.
You want to go low. A little bit lower.
Fucking dog will keep on falling up.
Yeah, same, bro.
We get the flank. We're coming up that way.
Which way are they coming?
That way. Straight out.
All right, goggles on, goggles on. I don't even see him. Dang.
Ref, move!
Yo, heads up. All squads, listen.
Watch out,
Listen.
Out,
Hit.
Is that gas?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? CO2?
It's green gas.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Well, propane.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah, that's why.
Hit. Are you walking back? Yeah. That's the tank. That's sick.